I just call this jiggly slime because it's nice. It's just, it takes a while to get back into shape. So yeah, let's move on to the next slime. Okay, hey guys, I got this purple nice stretchy slime. I really like it. Yeah. And I just really like to play with it. And I do like this so I can get into a spiral. And once I get it into a spiral, I stretch it and then I get into a spiral. Okay, so I hope you guys like this slime. So let's get on to the next slime. So hey guys, I got this slime now. It's an orange nice slime. It's very stretchy, kind of sticky because I didn't add enough borax, but I will once I get to my borax. Let's get on to the next slime. Bye. Okay guys, hey guys, this is my favorite one out of all of them. I use clear glue, as you guys can see that I had this glue. And I use green food dye, which is somewhere around here. And it's nice, stretchy. And yeah, I just really liked it because it's just easy, simple. It's just clear glue, food dye, and borax. It's really easy to find. Well, kind of not the glue because a lot of kids have been wanting to make slime and all that. So it's going to be hard, kind of. But now that they heard the news that one kid kind of got sick off of it, they actually kind of stopped making slime. Well, some kids did. But yeah, so yeah, we went to Walgreens and we found some glue and it was very fun. And we were so happy and we got some food dye and we got borax at Walmart or anywhere. But if you guys do want to know where the big gallons of glue are, they're normally at Staples. So if you want to go there and get a big gallon, I'm not for sure, but I think they're like for $14 or so. But you can go ahead and check it out on different channels. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. But I'll be right back to talk to you guys once I get this slime put away. So I got that slime put away. And so yeah, I actually do make some of my slimes. Here, I'll tell you guys what I make my slimes out of. Okay, so I do have food dyes. The colors were blue, red, green, and yellow. And I do use some glitter sometimes. And I do have glitter glue, but not with me because I use it all on some other stuff. I do use shaving cream, glue, and borax. So yeah. And some people can use it with, instead of borax, they use it with laundry detergent. I don't really do that because I tried doing that and mine did not turn out perfect. But a lot of kids do it and they bring it to school and it's just wonderful and they give it to me. But yeah, I like my slimes. Comment down below which one you think that it was your favorite one. This one, this one, this one, the purple one, this one, Play-Doh, yellow one, green one, or blue one. Okay guys, hopefully you guys like this video and give it a big thumbs up and comment below which one was your favorite one, or maybe comment what you use for your stuff. Please subscribe. I will be going through my subscribers and I will be doing a giveaway with slimes. So I'll just be picking randomly at my subscribers and I might give them a slime. So please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Love y'all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.